Welcome to Nick's IPTV channel. In this video, I am trying to explore different hardware and software solutions available to run IPTV service. I am considering ease of setting up and operation, the cost involved, and some more relevant factors, and based on which you can decide the kind of solution you may need either to start a new IPTV service or make changes to the existing one or the devices upgrades and things like that. So before moving further, let's get to know some basics about IPTV service. In fact, we have many hardware software products in the market, and here we are discussing a few which has been around for a while with a large customer base and fair reviews. Main thing to note is that none of these hardware software come with any content, and the cost referred to here is only the hardware software cost. And as you may know, streaming subscriptions are purchased separately and loaded to the hardware or software. One more thing is, one subscription is locked to one device only with the most service providers. If you want to run multiple devices, you need to buy multiple subscriptions. There are two kinds of IPTV platforms that are running. One is called Stalker portal, which is MAC address controlled, and this is more popular. The other one is called M3U playlist. This can run on multiple platforms, but not all providers support this. You can run your IPTV service in your television, smart television, or you can buy an IPTV box, or you can have media streamers like Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, TV, Android boxes, and everything has its own advantages, upside and downsides. Let's discuss more. And smart TV is a good choice if you just want to try IPTV service, if it suits you, before making any investment. The practical side of smart TV is you don't need extra box, no cables, not one more remote, and less clutter, which many want. And you have both paid app and free app available for running IPTV services on televisions, which you will see later. When it comes to box, these are a little more expensive, but very simple setup, just plug and play, because they come with the built-in IPTV applications. So it's easy to set up, ideal for those who are not willing to go through long technical in nature. If you want just plug and play, this is a good solution. Next one we have is the media streamers, like your Amazon Fire Stick, Google TV, Chromecast, Android boxes, Apple TV, and these provide a good low-cost solution for IPTV, but little involved in installation and setting up to run the service. Here, one point to note is Roku devices are not compatible with IPTV services and not discussed here. So how do I start IPTV in smart television? If you have Android TVs like Sony's Android TV, TCL Android TV, Hisense, and Insignia Toshiba Fire TV edition is also in the Android family televisions. When you have this, you don't need a box. You can download STB Emulator from Google Play Store and install it on your TV to run IPTV services. This is little involved setup, but guides are available. I am providing the link for setting up the IPTV service in televisions in the description below. You can see it, and it's a good solution, and mostly your remote control, TV remote control, can be used for all IPTV functions. This is only for Android televisions. When it comes to Samsung and LG smart TVs, they have their own operating system, and among the choices available, I would say Smart STB is a better choice. It's an app, paid app. Of course, 7 days free trial is available if you want to try, but this is a paid app. You have monthly subscription, annual subscription, or lifetime subscriptions available for this. Visit their website for all details. One downside of this is your license is locked to the TV you are using. If you go for light license, you have to buy full license, which is more expensive if you want to move your license to another TV at a later date and things like that. But this app is a fairly good one. It has been in use for some time and it works well. Another app is IPTV Smarter, but it supports only M3U list only. Not all providers support this format for running IPTV service, but this app is also equally good, very low cost, and works well. So you can, when you buy the service, you can see if you can buy your content in M3U list format and use this app for use in LG or Samsung TV. IPTV boxes. This, as I had mentioned earlier, it is straightforward. IPTV app is built inside the box. You have a full function remote. It's very easy to set up, just plug and play pretty much. And this also can be moved anywhere to any TV, anytime. Of late, the minimum requirement will be 4K resolution and a box with 5G Wi-Fi for better streaming. Buffer free streaming is a good option. You can buy any box, they're all pretty much same. Only difference is the Max series boxes, which has been popular for a long time. They are Linux based, and this is dedicated for IPTV only. The benefit of other Android based boxes, you can have your other streaming services like Netflix or Disney Plus and Prime and things like that. So that's the benefit. So you can choose the one you want. Media streamers. Fire Stick is more popular and it has been around for a while. Now Google TV, Chromecast is available. Android boxes are available for there for a while. And here also 4K resolution would be a better option. STB Emulator can be used. Both free and paid version of STB Emulator is good. Free, there are ads, but not to very annoying levels. Rarely something comes up and goes. If you are okay with it, use free version. Among all solutions, this is the low cost solution. Need little setup efforts, and it's also mobile. One thing to note here is all these streaming devices, the remote controls have a minimum number of keys, which does not support all IPTV functions. Like you want to set a channel, favorite channel, or you are looking for a movie, searching for a movie in a database, in the video club or VOD content, then this remote we need to do more work on making a full function remote. Solutions are available. The easiest solution is Magic Remote, which is an app available for Android and iOS. This remote can be downloaded to your phone and entire navigation features can be done inside the IPTV with this remote. Or we can do remote keyboard mapping with the Google TV Chromecast. If we are using STB Emulator, this Magic Remote is a must. Without that, you can only see the channels. You cannot do fast forward or rewind anything when you are seeing a movie or any recorded content. So you need to have Magic Remote installed. Another option is TV Mate. It's a paid app. It's about $10 a year right now, and the benefit of this app is the navigation is done within the app, and you don't need additional device. You can use the same Google TV remote when combined with this app. That becomes the best combination or best solution for Google TV remote for IPTV. So if you are using Google TV Chromecast, you can either use STB with this, or you can buy this app TV Mate, which is good. Now we have Apple TV. There are only two solutions available, Ministra Player and Stalker TV. This is expensive, Stalker TV. Ministra Player is a free app, and it's not well supported or updated all the time when changes are made to the devices. So if you can try to use it, if you like it, you can use it, continue using it. Stalker TV is pretty expensive now, and user interface, be it Ministra Player or Stalker TV, user interface is not all that great. But these are the solutions available for Apple TV. There are other solutions, but I haven't tested any of these, but these two have been there for a while, and unfortunately Roku devices are not compatible, as we discussed earlier. So when it comes to media streamer, I was talking about the remote control limitations. One way out of this is, if you have a smart TV, your TV remote can be linked to the streamer remotes, Fire Stick or Google TV. And when you link this remote, keep in mind and set these controls on. HDMI CEC on in the media streamer, and keep smart TV and media streamer on the same Wi-Fi network. Then you can use TV remote to operate all the IPTV functions. So STB Emulator, TV remote will respond to STB Emulator, and it becomes like a full function remote for all your IPTV operations. Just to summarize, you have seen TV solutions, IPTV box, media streamers. I guess you have some idea about these devices, and you can match with your requirement. Now, little more about the different softwares discussed earlier for IPTV. STB Emulator, it's Android, supports Stalker portals only. It's a fairly reliable and good app. Paid version is not very expensive, bit technical, but it is worth. Smart STB, for trial, 7 days free trial is available. You need full license for flexibility. Light license is locked to the device and not transferable. User interface is good. Navigation is well integrated into the app. Well organized, and account can be managed online, and customer support is good. But this is also not supported by all providers. One downside of this is a third-party app, and the service providers and the app makers, they don't talk to each other. Sometimes you may not get the support, but the app itself has been good and working good. Other one we were talking about, TV Mate, it supports both Stalker portals and M3U playlist. Stalker portals and M3U playlist. Yearly or lifetime license can be purchased. Can be used across 5 devices. Doesn't enjoy good support, good for devices like Google TV Chromecast with a limited remote control keys. IPTV Smarters, again a low cost, can run on multiple devices, even in your laptop. If you want to run for a short while temporary IPTV, these things come as a good solution. Ministra, the real issue is user interface is not all that good. It's not updated all the time when devices change its firmware. If you like the interface, you can continue using it because it is free. Stalker TV, only for iPhone, iPad and Apple TV. I hope by now you have some idea about the devices and the hardware and software. So please feel free to post comments and questions. Hit the like button if you like the video, and also subscribe not to miss many more information about IPTV. So thanks for watching.